They used to me now. They ain't even moving. Now these fools over here know damn well I ain't got no food, but they gonna come. But I'm looking for the turtles. I ain't seen it. I saw one big one yesterday. But I ain't seen... Man, where the turtles at? What y'all do? Why ain't the turtles here? Oh, I see one. I got one. Look at him. He done rolled out on me. He done went under and said, forget her. I like this water, though. It is prettier. Now, it does have a stench, but, you know, it's a lake or a pond or whatever. Ponds is worse than lakes, because at least lake got more water to get it out. Not here. But that's pretty. That's a pretty view.